Hi guys, in this video I will tell you how to edit a PDF file on your PC or laptop. So let's say this is the file I want to edit. Let's open it. Now over here you can see I cannot make any changes on it. Like I can draw it but I cannot edit the text itself. So to do that, close this. Now go into search menu and open up Microsoft Word. Once you're on this screen, just drag the PDF file and hover it onto the Microsoft Word. Now it will say Word will now convert your PDF to an editable Word document. Just click on OK. Once you do that, you can edit the PDF file. Now to save it back as a PDF, just go on to Save As, Computer. Then open this drop down menu, click PDF and then save it. This is how you edit a PDF file on Word.